We all know the universe had a beginning, and it will end. The only uncertainty is how. Scientists believe the cosmos could meet its fate in one of three terrifying ways: a slow freeze into nothingness, a fiery collapse into oblivion, or a violent tear that destroys everything at every scale. Each theory is based on physics, mathematics, and observations of the universe's expansion. And while the final moment may be trillions of years away, the clues are already here today. Let's begin with the most widely accepted theory: the heat death of the universe, also known as the Big Freeze. Right now, our universe is expanding at an accelerating rate. Galaxies are drifting apart, carried by the mysterious force we call dark energy. In the far future, this expansion will continue endlessly. First, after about 100 trillion years, star formation will cease. All fuel for new stars will be exhausted. Existing stars will gradually burn out, leaving behind only white dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes. Fast forward much further. After 10 to the power 40 years, even black holes won't survive. Through Hawking radiation, they'll slowly evaporate into nothing. Eventually, all matter will decay into the smallest particles. Protons may even disintegrate, leaving a cold, thin soup of radiation and subatomic particles. At this stage, the universe reaches maximum entropy. Energy will be so evenly spread out that no work, no life, and no structure will be possible. It's a cosmic graveyard, a quiet, eternal darkness. This is the end most scientists currently predict. A universe that doesn't explode, but simply fades away. Now imagine the opposite scenario. Instead of expanding forever, the universe eventually reverses course. This is the Big Crunch. In this model, gravity is the ultimate victor. Expansion slows down, galaxies stop moving apart, and then begin to fall back together. As they collide, enormous amounts of heat and radiation are released. Stars would smash into each other, galaxies would merge violently, and the sky would become brighter and hotter than ever before. Eventually, everything collapses into a single, incredibly dense point, a mirror image of the Big Bang. Some scientists even speculate that this collapse could trigger a new explosion, another Big Bang, creating a fresh universe. In that case, our universe might not be the first, but just one cycle in an endless chain of births and deaths. It's poetic, but current evidence makes this outcome less likely, since dark energy seems to be pushing expansion faster, not slowing it down. And then we come to the most dramatic ending of all, the Big Rip. This fate depends on the true nature of dark energy, the mysterious force driving accelerated expansion. If dark energy becomes stronger over time, expansion won't just continue. It will accelerate uncontrollably. At first, galaxies will drift apart faster than the speed of light. Communication between them will be impossible. Then, entire galaxies themselves will be torn apart, as expansion overcomes gravity. Solar systems won't survive either. Planets will be flung away from their stars. Closer still, planets themselves will be ripped apart, followed by atoms, molecules, and eventually even subatomic particles. At the final moment, the very fabric of space-time is stretched to the breaking point. Reality itself is shredded apart. The Big Rip is the most catastrophic scenario, and some models suggest it could occur in as little as 20 to 30 billion years, depending on how dark energy evolves. So, which ending will we face? Most current data points toward the heat death, with the universe expanding forever into a cold, dark void. The Big Crunch is less likely, but not impossible. And the Big Rip remains a dangerous wild card, possible if dark energy behaves in ways we don't yet understand. The end may be trillions of years away, but thinking about it changes our perspective today. Every star, every galaxy, every atom, including you, is part of this grand cosmic story, one that began 13.8 billion years ago and will one day reach its final page. So I'll leave you with this. If you could choose the ending, would you prefer the universe to fade away in silence, collapse in fire, or rip itself apart in chaos?